Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on an Acura MDX. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a new alternator, a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery cable from your battery before you start. Also, make sure your engine has completely cooled down to avoid any burns. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner. Use your serpentine belt tool to loosen it, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets and carefully remove it from the engine bay. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting brackets and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all the electrical wiring, ensuring each connection is firm and secure. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly seated on all pulleys and has the correct tension. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery cable to your battery, ensuring it's tight. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery light should turn off, indicating the new alternator is charging correctly. You can also use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is around 5 to 5 volts. For more helpful tools and other great deals, be sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.